Zimbili izinto engizokhuluma ngazo ngalesikhathi naso sinalo. Eyokuqala, i-discipline ne-unity. Le ndaba yama-parallel structures mayiphele. Amandla jikijela ababuhlophe jikijela mongameli jikijela amandla awethu kwaza alenga namaposi alenga Section 1985, got the Lifetime Establishment about 6 months away on the airport. So, Umna was a class, someone at Mount Pay or Figure Mount Peras or someone. Africa is cut this away. But I let it play, I figured out 25 past 10. It's saying, there's 11, about 10 or 11, I don't really like that. It's got to be really not being handled, so it's a photo, then it was to show it, but no, I can't afford it. Zimbili izinto engizokhuluma ngazo ngalesikhathi naso sinalo. Eyokuqala, i-discipline ne-unity kumkhonto wesizwe. Umfowethu uJaji wakhuluma ngalento kakhulu to a point yokuthi sengacasolwa nabo ukuhlola manje. Sengizothini mina kule region yalana eKingsetwayo cetshwa kwabenkosi yakwaZulu. Le ndaba yama-parallel structures mayiphele. Loluthuku nokubulalana nokudelelana komkhonto wesizwe maphela. Ubaba uMabalala sekewenza ezozama ukuqeda lo thuku. Namanje akapheli. Nomacingwa ubaba uWillis Mthulu kwakunemithi ngende yasuka ngo-12 emini kwaze kwahlala 12 ebusuku. Namanje uthuku nakapheli. So ngangishilo ukuba ngaphela manje kuzozamafa wangicela naye ukuthi ake sikhulume nge-unity ne-discipline nokuyiphatha kahle. Maqhawe ma-commanders omkhonto ubaba wafoma umkhonto wesizwe to give us a political law. Besingenalo eliqembu elimele umuntu omnyama la eSouth Africa. Ukholo sidala wathengisa wadayisa. Inkathi iyadayisa from inception yaqala ukuyiphathedayisa. Namanye kamaphathi khona liba amabhandlingi akhona amabhandlingi amaphathi namhlanje ayadayisa. Mawufuna ukubona ukuthi iphathi yadayisa noma ayidayisi nokubuke ifunding ubani ofana leyo phathi. Imali yaleyo phathi ivelaphi na? Iphathi ethola imali eStellenbosch is controlled by the Stellenbosch mafia. Period. Ingakho-ke manje lapha kule-supply chain and-u gijima nangusatan thina singafikanga nasondala masongujeni sigijima nangusatan. Ingakho-ke manje nabosatan abagcwele lapha ku-GNU ngoba kuba bonke they have one thing in common. Qinisile ngoba yavumela impela ngaphandle kukalokho ishilo bangorabisha bonke bafandwa eStellenbosch. Bonke bafandwa eStellenbosch bathola imali belungu. Thina-ke ngithi ngonomhluphele I would rather remain outside i-GNU ngonomhluphele ngife then ubalomba isell out ngiyongena ku-GNU. Namanje thema ukhuluma nge-VAT ePhalamende wakhona abanye wabonayo nakuthini ukuthi ba-excited bajaha ama-blue lights. Message kababa evela was very clear. Siya ePhalamende wasuke thatha umbuso udlala amambuka, umbuso udlala amathembisi, umbuso wethu udlala iy'mpilo kusho sakusala. So umkhonto wesizwe ufonyiwe wakile ngokunemishini ukuthi asithathe izwe lethu usho ubaba ukuthi sonke singabantu abamnyama ake senze into eyodwa. Uma ngabe kufika isikhathi sokuvota sivote sonke, sivote ndawonye, sivotele umhlaba wabantu abamnyama. La esikhona kwamaZulu igama nje abeludala uthatha umhlaba. Zululand was annexed in 1879. Wawuthatha belungu bathi Zululand yethu. Kodwa-ke njengamaZulu we can be proud of one thing. Abelungu bafike lana ngo-1652 bangasondela nakwaZulu besaba iLembe. iLembe lapho thama ngo-1828. For 174 years, ilungu engasondeli nakwaZulu besaba uZulu. Iqiniso le. Iqiniso. Ayishaya izandla. uZulu engaphetele namanje asibhedele basazi thina asibhedele uZulu akaphetele asibhedele nalapha ePhalamende basazi asibhedele. Ngicela isibhedele naso namhlanje ngowesithathu wafuna uNamalala wazoshumayela indaba ye-unity la noxolo ne-discipline kule ndawo. Wahamba uNamalala waphinde wabakhona ubaba uMthulu uWilliam nithi nilende naye wahamba uzamela namhlanje ngithende I will not miss this opportunity yokukhuluma ngoxolo ne-unity. Funani understand that umkhonto wesizwe unerole enkulu esizoyidlala. Umkhonto wesizwe kuphela ozobuyisela umhlaba ebantwini abamnyama. Umkhonto wesizwe kuphela ozobuyisa isithunzi sabantu abamnyama. Siyafika namanje ePhalamende sezonyaka sifikile. Singene ePhalamende mhlaka-12 kuJuni lonyaka uphelile. Mhlaka-12 kuJuni lonyaka sobesiqeda unyaka wethu wokuqala ePhalamende. Kodwa belungu basazazi nale genge onke bekhanyilanga basebenzisa isizulu esiqinile. Onke bekhanyilanga basazi kahle nalabo baphuza itiyele nabelungu basazi kahle. Isicelo sami leso uma ngabe nihluleka ukuyiphatha ama-Afrika niphoqa ubaba uNamalala. Niphoqa uNamalala. Kunjengabo abadelelayo nama-leaders angakwazi ukubingelela aphakeme. Abantu abaphansi apho bakwazi ukubingelela bangazi baqhabula abanye abantu abamnyama. Niphoqa ubaba uNamalala. uNamalala is down to earth. In humility elapha. Uthane ihlekele uzathi Mama betu inja utaswa ini, kopi azaza leo inja. Program ma promandas, malu kondo esizo masipate lente zobaba silandele na njengoholi wethu besifunda imfundiso enhle ngokuncamalayo at all times eyithulele njengambela. He is leading by example. Ngiyacela ngiphele udlamela uma ngabe ungapheli udlame nazi ukuthi umuntu okhwela nodlame nokubhelela umkhonto wesizwe uchitha umkhonto wesizwe ngasezivulela. Ngithemba ukuthi ngephile kuzeni liga ezokhuluma efanayo. Abantu sebengaphoyintiwe bafakwa ey'nkundleni ngicela sibahloniphe. Uma ngabe behlupha bengasebenzi nabo banihloniphe injalo nabo injalo. Kodwa uma ngabe behlupha behluleka ukusebenza ukwenza nomsebenzi abafakelwa bawenza sitheneni nisitshele lithi nangu usibambane uyahluleka usebenza udeployiwe lana uyahluleka. Into yesibili engizokhuluma ngayo, in fact I need an hour to talk about it, anginaso isikhathi, but ngizocela ukuthi ngiyiphule kancane. Ephalamende iqale kanje lento, uqala kwe-MP qala ubaba besifuna ukuthola 2/3 majority. Uma sithola i-2/3 majority besizongena ephalamende singaphathwa obhejane. Phakathi kobhejane, phakathi kobhejane. Ngoba sithole u-2/3 majority mavota sithola amavota amaningi abe u-2/3 besizongena ephalamende siphathe ephalamende. Izinto esizozenza ephalamende ziningi siphethe. Leyo nto wayenzekanga ngoba benze njani basitshontele amavoti. Our votes were rigged. Angisho nje ngesilungu ukuze udebe khanyilabo sebhithe ebhalite ezinto njalo. Our votes were stolen. Our votes, the election results were rigged. That's why you see Anna. That's why the opposition leader in the parliament. Ngizocela ukuchazela ukuthi kwenzelani eParliament. Asingenanga eParliament siba ama-ministers, sifome i-government. That's why umuntu othiwa yi-president sewuScyril Ramaphosa namanje. I-deputy yakhe uPaul Mashatile. Ukube sangena eParliament nababekho. Thina si-opposition kufanele kahle leyo. Ni-understand i-role yethu. Isebenza kanje lento ekuthiwa i-democracy. Kukhona iqembu okufanele i-majority elinabantu abaningi abalivotela. Alikho-ke manje ngoba i-ANC ayiselo i-majority party. Yikho yahlangana nje amaqembu afana noStellenbosch njengo-ANC namanye. Ukuze-ke manje bathole inamba 50+1. Yenzele kanjalo ku-GNU bezama ukubloka thina. Bayasho ukuthi ukhona nomuntu ongafundile wedili banuka. Khona ongafundile abasanda kuhamba ngayikhaba nalolo. Angazi ukuthi president uJohn naye hayi lobile. Mina kwenza ngayisakele John ngiyela lokho. Okuzizwana. I don't really know what I story now. From GNU, going a full GMK, ingene kuphaka. Amanye amaqembu lapho ngesitshela igogama, kudala khona eParliament. There's never been a threat to the Lumbi. Ufike i-MK party. Bakufika thina besefoma i-GNU, ngoba befuna ukusibloka. Nala KZN babuza ngo-18%. Kakurela ne-GNU, kwangena uNtuli, kwangena i-DA, sakhishwa thina. So the opposition eNatal we-province saseyinini. The opposition eSouth Africa kuma-national elections sasiwawinile. Now, very understanding the role of opposition. Sizolwa thina siyi-MK within the law. Now, ayikho isoyenza siyishintshe sodwa eParliament singayitholanga i-support kuningi. Politics is about numbers. Politics is about numbers and having good, sound policies. Abantu bakuzwe ukuthi uthini, ufike kuthi ungadayisi masungene eParliament, bese uyayijika lento uyenza. Njengamanye amaqembu esiwazini eSouth. So into esiyitshelayo mina, ngumchazelo ukuthi isebenza kanjani eParliament. Baningi abafowethu abakhulumile nodadewethu lana ukuthi isebenza kanjani eParliament. Kafishane mina ngiyi-leader yephathi, umkhondo wesizwe. Nami ngiyabonga. Which means the political direction yephathi eParliament ivela kumina. Right? Nangahluzelanga khona, mangidawuta, thatha ifoni ngifone khona. Noma lasikho kuhlola uthini. Okay, I'll give you a good example. It was such an important issue. The issue is so important. Am I right now? With any form of increase in tax, any form. So say party, and say cafe. We reject it with the content it presents. So that is my role. Pass along the point of the chief whip, so who will be of the party. We are going in charge of Parliament, the caucus party, and then let's open them our ways, but when you see some paper on our ways. Umsebenzi wabo ngitshela now. But if it seems like Parliament, kufanele understand ukuthi njengamanje siyi-opposition. Nami angibizwa ngegama Parliament, the leader of opposition, title nayo. Angifuni bangibizwe ngojaji, better than angitshela bangibizwe ngojaji. So kusebenza ngalendlela iParliament abafishane thina. But our problems are needs the issue, for example, Section 25 of the Constitution. We are serious, and we want to act and fight within the law. Section 25 of the Constitution, Utamasena, until 1652. Amasena, I said, Paul and Amandi. Compensation, market-related compensation. There is a lot of Africa. People look at this part. We invaded, or Tatu Tawai to this part. The women of Comoros, Omasena, no Section 25 of the Constitution, they don't say that. They like to Tawai. Master Sultan Tawai must say, we must pay them back in Malia. They must get market-related compensation. So, what do I see? Not Chinese and they don't. I was in Georgia, who's already working people see. They are one of the school. Now, they don't know, they're very part of the Parliament and the EU, our processes are all. First of all, into a private member's bill. It paid in the same family. It paid the check of our bill. First of all, the man is soon called to a season and were being assisted by ATM yesterday at ATM. First of all, a private member's bill. esizolwela ukuthi sithole support ebese uyasuka Section 25 of the Constitution so that isitepu sokuqala leso esizobuyisela umhlaba kithi. Enye izinto esazenzayo ngike nabona amabhuku esithuka lana ethi lawe AfriForum, right, esithuka lana ethi ayashawa yabulawa run before the trip yobhejana esikhulume ngayo namhlanje. I led the demonstration, samasha, police station in the car. Safika savulisa, sivulela amabhuku, i-treason isweyo la, ngethengekho uqambamanga, athi ayashawa, ayabulawa, umthetho wabo, umhlaba uthathwa beqambamanga. Bavulisa sawavulela. Lelo cala lisesey'nkantolo njengamanje, lesuka kubona amabhuku. But it didn't see. But it didn't see, which you probably don't know, was communicating us. The AfriForum, they cool, AfriForum.